direct variation. Examples. If x varies directly as y, when you see this means varies directly. Varies directly as y, and x equals to 3 when y equals to 12. Find the relationship between x and y. Solution. Solution. To solve this problem, we start from the given relationship. X varies directly as y. And what does that mean? We can write this to remove this symbol that we have here. This is this symbol of variation. Then we are going to introduce what we call equality sign. Then we bring in what we call k. It means x equals to ky. K is a constant of proportionality. Take note of that. Now, and x equals to 3 when y equals to 12. So we are going to write when x equals to 3, y equals to 12. So what are we going to do? From this equation now, anywhere you see x, we put 3. And anywhere we see y, we are going to put in 12. So we substitute now. It means 3 equals to what? K into 12. Now, 3 equals to what? 12k. K times 12 is 12k. So we need to find the value of k now. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of k. And what is the coefficient of k? Is the number in front of k, which is what? 12. So let's divide both sides by 12. 3 over 12 is equal to k over 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 1. So it means that what? K equals to what? We can reduce this. 3 here 1. 3 in 12 is what? 4. So it means that k equals to what? 1 over 4. Now, from this relationship that we have here, from this relationship, we can have this. X equals to what? Ky. Now, anywhere you see k, we put in the value of k now, which is what? 1 over 4. It means s equals to what? Instead of writing k, we put in 1 over 4. So we have s equals to 1 over 4y. This is the relationship between x and y. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.